In the heart of East Africa, where the vast plains meet the azure waters of the Indian Ocean, lies Tanzania. A land of breathtaking beauty, Tanzania is a true gem of Africa. It is a country where the wild spirit of nature thrives, from the snow-capped peak of Mount Kilimanjaro to the endless plains of the Serengeti. Tanzania is a land of contrasts where ancient traditions meet modern life, and where the warmth of the people rivals the warmth of the African sun. This is a land where elephants roam free, their footsteps echoing across the savannah. Lions bask in the golden light, their roars a powerful reminder of their place at the top of the food chain. Cheetahs sprint with unmatched speed, while giraffes gracefully browse the treetops. Tanzania is a symphony of sights and sounds, a place where the animal kingdom takes center stage. Tanzania is a land of diverse and dramatic landscapes. Towering over them all is Mount Kilimanjaro, the highest mountain in Africa. Its snow-capped peak, often shrouded in clouds, is a beacon for adventurers from around the globe. Climbing Kilimanjaro is a challenging but rewarding experience, offering breathtaking views and a sense of accomplishment like no other. Beyond the slopes of Kilimanjaro lie the vast plains of the Serengeti National Park. This iconic landscape is home to an unparalleled abundance of wildlife. Millions of wildebeest, zebras and gazelles thunder across the plains during the annual Great Migration, a spectacle that has captivated generations. Tanzania's beauty extends beyond its savannas. The country boasts pristine beaches lapped by the turquoise waters of the Indian Ocean. Zanzibar, an archipelago off the coast, is renowned for its white sand beaches, coral reefs and spice plantations. Tanzania is a melting pot of cultures with over 120 ethnic groups, each contributing to the country's rich heritage. The Maasai people, known for their distinctive red clothing and semi-nomadic lifestyle, are perhaps the most iconic. Their deep connection to the land and their cattle is central to their culture. Visiting a Maasai village offers a glimpse into their traditional way of life. On the island of Zanzibar, the legacy of the Swahili culture is evident. This unique culture, a blend of African, Arab and Indian influences, is reflected in the architecture, cuisine and music. Stone Town, the historic heart of Zanzibar city, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Its narrow streets lined with bustling markets, mosques and grand Arab houses. The warmth and hospitality of the Tanzanian people are legendary. Karibu, the Swahili word for welcome, is more than just a greeting. It is a way of life. Whether you are exploring the bustling streets of Dar es Salaam, the country's largest city, or visiting a remote village, you will be met with smiles and genuine kindness. Tanzania is synonymous with safari. The country is home to some of the best national parks and game reserves in Africa, offering unparalleled opportunities to witness wildlife in their natural habitat. From the iconic Serengeti to the lesser-known Tarangire and Ruaha national parks, each park offers a unique perspective on the African wilderness. Game drives are the most popular way to experience a safari. Experienced guides navigate the parks in open-sided 4x4 vehicles, tracking down lions, elephants, leopards and other elusive creatures. The thrill of encountering these animals in the wild is an experience that will stay with you forever. For a more immersive experience, consider a walking safari. Accompanied by an armed ranger, you can explore the bush on foot, following animal tracks and learning about the intricate workings of the ecosystem. Hot air balloon safaris offer a unique perspective on the vastness of the Serengeti, allowing you to soar above the plains as the sun rises. Section 5. The Great Migration, a spectacle like no other. The Great Migration, an annual spectacle that takes place in Tanzania and Kenya, is one of the most awe-inspiring events in the natural world. Over 2 million wildebeest, zebras and gazelles embark on a circular journey following the rains in search of fresh grazing lands. The herds move in a clockwise direction, covering hundreds of miles across the Serengeti plains. Witnessing the Great Migration is an unforgettable experience. The sheer number of animals is staggering and the sound of their hooves pounding the earth is like thunder. The migration is also a time of great drama as predators, including lions, leopards and crocodiles, lie in wait, hoping to take advantage of the abundance of prey. The best time to witness the river crossings, arguably the most dramatic part of the migration, is from July to September, when the herds cross the Mara River in northern Serengeti. However, the timing of the migration can vary from year to year depending on the rains. Section 6. Beyond the savannah, craters, beaches and islands. While the Serengeti and Mount Kilimanjaro are undoubtedly Tanzania's most famous attractions, the country has much more to offer. The Ngorongoro crater, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a natural wonder. This collapsed volcano forms a unique ecosystem, home to a remarkable concentration of wildlife, including the big five lion, leopard, elephant, rhino and buffalo. For those seeking a tropical paradise, Tanzania's coastline is a dream come true. Zanzibar, an archipelago off the coast, is renowned for its white sand beaches, turquoise waters and swaying palm trees. Explore the historic streets of Stone Town, dive into the underwater world of the coral reefs, or simply relax on the beach and soak up the sun. Other islands worth exploring include Pemba, known for its spice plantations and diving, and Mafia Island, a haven for whale sharks and other marine life. Inland, the Usambara Mountains offer breathtaking views and opportunities for hiking and birdwatching. Section 7. A Taste of Tanzania. Tanzanian cuisine is a delightful fusion of flavors, reflecting the country's diverse cultural influences. Swahili cuisine, prevalent on the coast, is a blend of African, Arab and Indian flavors. Staple dishes include pilau, spiced rice, biryani, a mixed rice dish, and nyama choma, which is grilled meat. Ugali, a stiff porridge made from maize flour, is a staple throughout the country, often served with stews or vegetables. Nyama na ndizi, meat with plantains, is another popular dish. For those with a sweet tooth, mandazi, fried dough, and vitumbua, coconut and rice flour pancakes are delicious treats. Fresh tropical fruits such as mangoes, pineapples, and papayas are abundant. Coffee, grown on the slopes of Mount Kilimanjaro and other highlands, is world-renowned. For a refreshing drink, try a glass of freshly squeezed sugarcane juice. Section 8. Adventure awaits beyond the safari. Tanzania offers a wealth of adventure activities beyond the traditional safari. For those seeking a physical challenge, climbing Mount Kilimanjaro is an experience of a lifetime. Trekking through the rainforest to the snow-capped summit is a journey that will test your limits and reward you with breathtaking views. For water enthusiasts, the Indian Ocean offers excellent opportunities for diving, snorkeling and swimming. The coral reefs off the coast of Zanzibar and other islands teem with colorful fish, turtles and other marine life. Dolphin tours are also popular, offering the chance to swim alongside these playful creatures. Other adventure activities include hot air balloon safaris over the Serengeti, cultural visits to Maasai villages, and exploring the ancient ruins of Kilwa Kisiwani, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Section 9. Practical tips for the savvy traveler. The best time to visit Tanzania for wildlife viewing is during the dry season, from June to October. However, the shoulder seasons, April to May and November to December, can offer good value for money and fewer crowds. The wet season, from March to May, can make some roads impassable, but it is the best time to see newborn animals. A visa is required for most nationalities to enter Tanzania. You can obtain a visa on arrival at major airports or apply online in advance. Malaria is present in Tanzania, so it is essential to take anti-malarial medication and use mosquito repellent. Swahili is the official language of Tanzania, but English is widely spoken, especially in tourist areas. The local currency is the Tanzanian shilling, but US dollars are widely accepted. It is customary to bargain in markets and for some services. Section 10. Responsible travel, preserving Tanzania's treasures. Tanzania's natural beauty and cultural heritage are precious and fragile. As a traveler, you have a responsibility to minimize your impact and contribute to the conservation of these treasures. Choose eco-friendly lodges and tour operators that prioritize sustainability and support local communities. Respect wildlife by observing them from a safe distance and avoiding any behavior that could disturb them. Do not litter, and be mindful of your water and energy consumption. Support local communities by purchasing handicrafts and souvenirs from local artisans. By traveling responsibly, you can help ensure that Tanzania's natural wonders and cultural heritage are preserved for generations to come. Section 11. Discover the magic of Tanzania. Tanzania is a country that will stay with you long after you have left its shores. The breathtaking landscapes, the incredible wildlife, the vibrant cultures, and the warmth of the people all combine to create an unforgettable travel experience. Whether you are seeking adventure, relaxation, or cultural immersion, Tanzania has something to offer everyone. So pack your bags, embrace the spirit of adventure, and discover the magic of Tanzania for yourself.